In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp button on Wix. This is a simple way to make it easier for visitors to contact you directly from your website. Inside Wix, you can do this by adding a regular button, then linking it to your WhatsApp profile or chat link. Once it is set up, people can click the button and be taken straight to WhatsApp. To begin, open your Wix editor and go to the left-hand menu. Look for the Add Elements option, marked with the plus icon, and click on it. This is where Wix keeps all of the items you can place on your page, including text, images, shapes, and buttons. From the Add Elements panel, choose Button. You will see different button styles and designs that you can use. Pick the one that best matches your site, then drag it onto your page. Place it wherever you want the WhatsApp button to appear. A common choice is somewhere easy to see, like near the top of the page or in a contact section, so visitors can find it quickly. After the button is on the page, click on it to bring up the floating menu. In that menu, select the link icon, which looks like a chain link. This opens the link settings for the button and lets you choose where the button should send visitors when they click it. Now go to the link field on the right side and paste in your WhatsApp profile URL. Make sure the link is correct before moving on, because this is what connects the button to your WhatsApp destination. If the URL is entered properly, visitors will be taken to the right place when they click the button on your live site. Once you have added the link, take a moment to review the placement and appearance of the button on your page. You want it to be easy to notice and simple to use. If needed, you can adjust the button design or position before publishing. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This makes your changes live, so your WhatsApp button will be visible on your website for visitors to use. After publishing, it is a good idea to test the button on the live site to make sure the link opens correctly. That way you can confirm everything is working as expected. That covers everything you need to know.